In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to N8N. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to N8N.io and click on this Get Started in order to create an account. Now, if you already have an account on here, proceed to click on the Sign In option that we have into this part. Since I already have an account, let me proceed to sign in. This will open this new window, prompting us to log in into our N8N. So let me just proceed to actually sign in. So here I have my actual N8N. And in order to connect them together, let's proceed to create the workflow. Click on this Create Workflow option that will appear, and then this will load your actual editor. Into this case, let's proceed to connect OneDrive by adding in here the first step, which will serve as our trigger. You can also choose on app event, and then once you have chosen that, you can just search for specific nodes. On this case, let's proceed to search for OneDrive. So here's Microsoft OneDrive. Proceed to click on this. And after that, you can see right here some triggers, and you can also find some actions if this is actually not your trigger. On my case, I'll choose right here on file created. After that, it will show you these parameters as well as simplifications, falling time, and after that, go over to the settings. You can see right here that you can display nodes as well as see some mock datas and the likes. So to connect OneDrive to N8N, click on this credential to connect with. Click on this create new credential. After that, you can choose HTTP request domain and further click on this connect my account. So this will open this window that will prompt you to actually log in into your actual Microsoft Online. So you can just proceed to log in directly from this window that will open. And once you're done with that, you should be able to connect it directly into your actual N8N. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.